And we are back. We are back for round 3. We are going to be painting the bottom of our table, our little coffee table, in carbon. So I gave our carbon a good shake. And I'm just going to give it a nice little stir. And my little helper here, Mr. Archie. Okay, so the prep work we've done is we've sanded it and given it a good clean. You'll see, I told you guys this is a very, very old little table. 6 years ago we painted it in Granny B's. So it's ready, it's prepped. So I'm going to be doing our first coat of carbon. How amazing is that coverage? Just glides on. So we're just going to do a flat coat of carbon on this side, and then our last step will be to seal it with polka seals. I can show you guys how easy this all is. And we will probably get away with 2 coats. And our Polkadot coffee table has been done. It's in its final stages with our Polkadot.Paint. We used Legacy, Carbon and Imperial Silk. Our next and final step will be Polka Seal. And then we have a brand new furniture piece that will be used in our warehouse.